Gold, after seeing a sharp crash last Friday, has now once again got the support at 1860 today and now recovered till towards 1874. Likewise, silver too has seen 2220 as a good support and now at its next resistance at 2240. So, what to expect? Can we expect a full recovery from here, or is it just a retracement and we can see again drop today itself? Or maybe this week we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the next analysis. The next update on gold will be released before the US session. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end to listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels and trade as per the level. Now these are the hourly charts for gold and you can see 1860 has provided it a very good support. Couple of candles trying to breach below but failed to go past and now again trying to recover a bit. Multiple green candles here and again you can see it has created a base at this candle trying to probably rise till 1875-76. I will wait for the next candle and probably once you see it trading above 1880 levels, then you can confirm that there is still little more bullishness and it can try to recover till towards first resistance at 1885 and then 1891. This is the bottom of the previous bullish channel and hence 1890-1891 zone certainly going to provide a maximum resistance. Yes, you can remain long above 1880, first at 1885 and then at 1891 it is going to get the next resistance levels. It has to pass by. See, now also look at this. I have told you in my weekly analysis also, this was the resistance zone at 1910, 1920. Only and only if any point of time gold trades above these levels, then only we can confirm this as bullish. Now see on the hourly charts, it was extremely bearish. It has covered a bit now. It has tried to converge. Stochastic is overbought now on the hourly charts. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence and this is trading little bullish. Now see, this crossover is coming at an extreme level here and hence it can try to recover a little bit before it looks forward to trade bearish again. The RSI was also oversold and that is why we can see a little recovery here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts forming the base here, it is trying to recover. Probably we can see it hitting 1885-90 levels today. It can recover till here and yes, there is a probability that once it trades above 1890, it can in fact hit 1900. And as I have told, this is the zone which I will look forward for it to break past by only and only if gold trades above 1910 and 20 for this week. You can confirm this as bullish, as this is just a retracement and it can again drop for the week later in the week. The directional movement is extremely divergent and bearish. That is why we can see a little recovery. It was also oversold on the stochastic, which is giving us a little green candles. The MACD is still bearish here and it is trying to converge a bit. The RSI is also trading oversold and yes, it brings a little recovery in gold here. Now look at the 3-hour. On the 3-hour chart, see, uh, it is increasingly trying to trade bullish. 1880 can be achieved, then 1885 and then 1890. Till 1890 we can see a possible recovery today and for now you can take a buy position. Yes, 1880 definitely is a safe entry but then we have to be observant on the upside, very cautious on the upside. And if you look at now, see on the downside also, if you see it trading below this levels at 1864 where it closed last week, yes, 1864-65 levels, you can sell there and again expect 1860 and below that probably we can see a further sharper drop there. The directional movement is still bearish, it is divergent. The stochastic has seen a little recovery. It was trading oversold for multiple candles. The MACD is bearish, it is looking forward to converge. The RSI is also trading oversold and trying to bounce back a little. Now look at the 4-hour chart. You see on the 4-hour chart, see previous 3 candles flat bottom and lower highs were seen. This candle is trying to break out. Possibly next candle may try to hit 1880 and in fact it can fly till towards 1890 levels. Yes, you can stay long for a little while and expect 1885-90 levels. That is my expectation. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold and hence a little recovery can be seen. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. Probably it may converge a bit. RSI is trading oversold also. And if you look at the daily chart, so this gives me an indication that you can stay long today and probably expect 1880, 1890 levels. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, yes, the 50 period moving average situated at around 1860 levels, giving it a very good support, and now it is trying to look for a little recovery. And also see the previous two candles. This is the weekend candle, flat bottom and with a tail there, and hence it is trying to trade bullish. Yes, it can recover till towards 1880, 1885, 1890 levels. You can stay long above 1880 for sure, and in fact you can stay long above 1875 levels also. But remember, this is still a retracement, not a reversal. Directional movement is bearish, trying to convert. The stochastic is trading oversold, and hence probably we may see it recovering a bit. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. Candle size is increasing. RSI has come to bottom here. Considering this, yes, you can buy at 1876 level, first at 1818, first target 1880, then 1885, and then 1891. If these three levels are taken, further bullishness might take it above 1900 levels, though these levels are on the upside at 1910, 1920 is something which is only beyond which we can expect that it is recovered completely and it is going to trade bullish. Till that time, this is just a retracement and probably it can try to trade bearish again later. For the day, only sell entries below 1865 levels, and then below that you can expect 1860, which is definitely a very good support. Only below 1860, little more bearishness will be seen. So in between 1865 and 1876, do not take any trade. And remember, below 1860, the next target is 1855, 40, and then further drop might take it till towards 1820 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch 19, which is starting today. And yes, you can also reserve your seats for the next batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. 2220 has given it a very strong support, and on the upside now 2250 levels, trying to give it a little resistance. Now see this. Once it trades about 2250, 2260 zone, certainly we can expect silver might try to attempt and achieve $23 levels. Now, if you look at the hourly charts, previous few candles traded with a sharp tail indicating upward pressure there, which brought the prices higher. However, it is still refraining from it to break past this candle, which is now the high, with trading with the highs at 2250 levels. Hence, that is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy. So buy about 2250 and sell below 2230, but then 2220 and $22 levels are definitely a very good support. Now see, directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge a bit. Stochastic has seen a little rise, has come to near to overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over for the buy entry here, and this crossover is happening at a bottom, and hence we may see a little more recovery in silver, which might take it till towards 2260, 2280 levels. RSI is trading oversold, and that is why we can see a little rise here. On the 2-hour charts also, lower lows are seen and lower highs are seen. Wait for it to break past 2250 levels, then you can expect 2255, 2260 and 2275, 2280. These zones are going to get increasingly resistance. Beyond 2280 only little more bullishness can be confirmed. Look at the direction, movement is bearish, stochastic rising from the oversold levels, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is trading oversold, and we can see a potential bounce back here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also, so far lower highs and lower lows are seen. Wait for it to break past this zone at 2250, and then you can expect 2260, if 2255, 2260, which is definitely a good resistance. Beyond that, we may see it flying high for 2275, 80, the next zone, and if it flies past, then certainly $23 levels can be seen. Now see, so far it was trading in between this zone. You can see this sharp drop here, 2280, and then it was trading completely in box before looking forward to a rise. Now it may try to attempt and enter into the box. Let's see if it does. See, the directional movement is still divergent and bearish here. Stochastic is oversold, which is looking forward to a little recovery. The MACD is trying to converge. RSI is trading oversold also, and that is why we can see a little rise here. Now look at 4-hour charts. Similar observation on the 4-hour chart so far, lower highs, lower lows. Let it break past 2250 levels, then you can confirm that there is little bullishness. So buy above 2250, sell below 2230. That is what we can see here. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI trading oversold here. And if you look at daily chart, now on the daily charts, lower lows are done and we can see a little recovery. Yes, above 2250, probably it may take it till towards 2260 levels, first resistance, and then till towards 2280, the next resistance level. Beyond 2280, it may try to attempt and achieve 23 and 2320 levels, and only if it trades about 23, 20, 40, 50 levels, you can consider this for a bullish reversal. On the downside, $22 levels are 22.10 and $22 levels, which are 50 period moving averages, are going to give it a very good support here on the daily charts. 100 period moving average, sorry. And see, the directional movement here on the daily charts is still divergent and bearish. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It can probably start converging here. RSI is also trading at bottom. Considering this for the day, you can sell at 2230 levels and buy at 2250 levels. In between these 20 cents, do not trade on the upside. See, remember this fact, 2260 and 2220 zone, this 40 cents is going to be a swing zone, and hence you have to remain cautious. Book profits till 2260, you have to trade with caution. Keep a trailing stop loss, and also on the upside beyond 2260 you can expect 2275 and 80. This is the next resistance zone. You have to be cautious of this. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness can be seen, which might take it till towards 23 and 2320 levels. I don't see it recovering till there, but these are markets because silver has already traded sharply with a sharp drop, and hence a little retracement is possible. On the downside below 2230, you can sell for 2220 and then 2210, $22 levels, because the 100 period moving average may give it a support, and below 22 only little more bearishness can be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.